Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. On this video, I wanted to share with you a secret method that I've actually been using for a very long time. And I wanted to share with you in this video. And also I'll be showing you proof that this actual method works. And if you haven't watched the testimonial videos for my clients and also on my channels as well, you more than welcome to go ahead and go up, and there might be some videos showing you the proof that this method really works. So let me share with you my screen. So let's dive into how this actual method really works, and I wanted to show you the proof as well, right? So hopefully you can actually see my screen. So this is literally a channel that we started in September 13th. Okay, so we started uploading, and as you can see, the revenue went up to $820 per day in just a very short amount of time. And pretty much this method we have been using for time and time again. So it is just to show you that if you implement everything that we actually share with you in this program, you will start to get results and also success as well, right? So as you can see, the method is basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cracking the VC method. Okay, so you must be asking, like, what is this VC method? So this VC method we have been using to get very viral on the platform. Okay, so this is a secret VC formula to going viral on YouTube. So secret VC means that it's a secret viral content method or viral channel formula method that we have been using to be going viral on the platform. So which actually consists of a number of different factors. Okay, so there's literally 2 or 3 or 4 different things that actually allows you to be going viral on the platform. And with anything, the main goal of YouTube is actually just to keep the viewer retained on the platform for as long as possible. Okay, and if you are able to do that with your channel, YouTube will push you and make you viral as well. So we have to do the best as we can as a content creator to keep the viewer retained on the platform for as long as possible. Okay, so the viral VC formula actually consists of we need 7% and up high CTR. Okay, CTR means click through, right? So if we able to hit like 7% and more CTR, we are bound to be going viral. Okay, but it's not just you're gonna be hitting that CTR and hitting that 7% and you're gonna be right off the gate, you're gonna be going viral. There's other factors that also relates to that as well, okay, which actually consist of you gotta have high audience retention on your video. Okay, so what I've actually found on my channel is if you're hitting like 40% and up high audience retention rate on your videos, and you have 7 minutes or 7% click-through rate, you're bound to be going viral. Okay, so audience retention means is how long the viewer actually watches your video. Okay, so if actually 100% 100 people actually clicked on your video, but 60% of them actually dropped off, but 40% of them 40 people actually watched the video, that means on your video you got 40% audience retention. Okay, and if you're able to hit that 40% and up, and you also at the same time have 7% click-through rate, then you're prone to be going viral on the platform. Okay, and normally the video length that we actually found and we are able to do that is between 8 to 12 minutes video. So another question that I also get asked is how long should my video also be? So your video length, it's best if you can make your video 8 minutes plus, because if your video is 8 minutes plus, that way you can also be putting multiple ads in that video. So that way, instead of you doing the video that's like 7 minutes long, you won't be able to manually insert ads in that video. Okay, so it's best if you can do your video 8 to 12 minutes long, so that way you are able to go viral on the platform and have multiple ads in that particular video. Okay, so it's really simple to create videos that 8 to 12 minutes or 8 to 15 minutes. Some of our videos we actually create like probably 25-30 minutes, because we know one way we can actually beat our competition is create longer videos and also have viewer watching our video for as long as possible. That way, if our competition is creating videos of like 8 minutes and we're creating videos of 20 minutes, we're gonna have more watch time compared to them, right? So if YouTube actually compares our channels to them, YouTube will push our channel more because we are retaining the viewer longer than them, okay, because our videos are longer, plus we have a high CTR on our particular video. Okay, so those are the factors that actually correlates to going viral on our the platform of YouTube. So first thing is the CTR. CTR actually consists of your title and your thumbnail. Okay, very important, your title and your thumbnail. If your video idea isn't interesting, there will be people actually clicking, but no one will actually watch your video because your video idea isn't long. So it's good if you can actually put maybe a negative or positive connotation into your video, so that way, and you don't want to give everything in the video, right, in your thumbnail and also your title. You want to leave some sort of suspense, so that way people are actually more prone to clicking in that video. But if you tell everything in the thumbnail or also in your title that this video is about this and this, no one will actually click on your video, right? So you just have to model other channel, other competitors, what they're doing, so we can actually do better. But these are the 3 or 4 factors that actually relates and makes our channel actually go viral, right? So this is the secret VCR method to be going viral on the platform. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless, and bye for now.